Today we're reviewing stock number 204431 on a 2018 Chevy Impala LT, and our exterior color is silver. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver's seat with lumbar support, leather wrapped upholstery, sunroof, light controls, electronic park brake, trunk controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, heated steering wheel, cruise control, hands-free communication and audio controls, AM/FM radio with auxiliary, climate control with AC, heated seats, and traction control. And our interior color is gray. Moving on to exterior features, we have alloy wheels, backup camera, remote trunk release, a lot more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, and you can fold seats down for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 204431 on a 2018 Chevy Impala, and our exterior color is silver.